Imagine instantly turning any website's information into actionable insights, all without lifting a finger. Today, we're unlocking the power of Zapier and Chatgpt to automatically extract and process data from virtually any website, revolutionizing your research and analysis. Our journey begins in Zapier, where we'll set up a trigger. This trigger will be our prompt to start the data retrieval process. Think of it as the signal that tells our system, it's time to get to work. For our trigger, we'll select the website or specific section of a website, or even an RSS feed that contains the information we're interested in. Zapier will monitor this source for new content or updates. Next, we add our action step. This is where the magic of AI comes in. We'll choose Chatgpt as our action tool. Within the Chatgpt action, we'll create a prompt. This prompt is crucial. It tells Chatgpt exactly what information to extract from the website's content. You can ask it to summarize articles, pull specific figures, identify keywords, or even extract product details. We then connect the data from our trigger to the Chatgpt prompt. This means the website content that Zapier found will be automatically fed into your prompt for Chatgpt to analyze. After Chatgpt processes the information, we can add another action to handle the output. This could be sending the extracted data to a spreadsheet, a database, an email, or even another application. You can also set up conditional logic within Zapier. For instance, if Chatgpt finds specific keywords, you can trigger a different follow-up action, making your workflows incredibly sophisticated. By combining Zapier's automation with Chatgpt's natural language processing, you can build dynamic workflows that automate tedious research tasks, extract valuable data, and gain deeper insights, all in real time. Start automating your data extraction today and unlock a new level of efficiency and understanding.